Hi everyone, my name is Steve Smith, aka Ardalis, and welcome to my course, C# Design Patterns, Adapter. I'm an experienced .NET developer, architect, and trainer. My on-site workshops and Pluralsight courses have helped thousands of developers and teams write better code faster. You'll find me online under the name Ardalis. Design patterns have fascinated me for years. They're like individual tools you can add to your toolkit as a software developer. They don't take long to introduce, but they can take a lot of practice to master. In this course, we are going to explore the adapter design pattern, one of my favorites for its overall usefulness. Some of the major topics that we will cover include: what problem is the adapter pattern meant to solve? What software design principles apply to this pattern? How can you apply this pattern to refactor and improve your existing code? And what other design patterns are similar to or frequently used with the adapter pattern? By the end of this course, you'll be able to recognize situations where the adapter pattern makes sense, and you'll be able to apply it to your code with confidence. I hope you'll join me in learning about the adapter design pattern for C#, and I hope you'll continue exploring other design patterns as well here on Pluralsight.